हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इसमें उर्मिला अग्रवाल। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। और आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट गोल सीक एंड सिनेरियो इन लिब्रे ऑफिस कैल्क। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो टू द स्टार्ट बटन एंड देन ओपन लिब्रे ऑफिस इन लिब्रे ऑफिस कैल्क. Now you can see a window will be appear on your screen. There is an untitled, that means your file is not saved, that is the top of the title bar and the bottom is in a status bar. Now first of all I am telling you what is the meaning of the scenario is here. Scenario means आपने कोई भी सिनेरियो और जो गोल सीख है ये दोनों ही सिंगल वैल्यू के ऊपर आपके चेंजेस करते हैं. यू मस्ट कंटेन योर formula is also there. Now I am using here in a scenario. In scenario you can change your once your value, and after that you want to be changes any kind of your value, and then you want to be your previous value, then you easily use your scenario. Is the your content is there with the help of the scenario. So I'm writing here cost price, selling price and unit sold. Cost price is 25, selling price is also 25 and sold units are 12. Then I want to be find out total profit. You can see in the D column I am writing here total profit, and E I am writing here, and a formula is there. A formula is start with the equals to sign, then B4 multiply by with parenthesis B3 minus B2, and parenthesis will be close. So I already say कि जो पैलेंथी आपके सिनेरियो एंड गोल सीख है ये सिंगल वैल्यू पे काम करते हैं और इनके लिए हमें फार्मूला का यूज़ करना होता है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द टूल्स ऑप्शन. In tools option, scenario and goal seek both are the found. First of all you select your table. If you are not selecting your table, then your scenario will be not highlighted. Select your table is here. Go to again tools option, select scenario. Now window will be appear. You can see there. Now write your name of the scenario is taking by default sheet 1 scenario 1. I am writing here Monday sale. If you want to give any kind of the information in the comment box, you can be right there, and did not changing here, just is taking the date and timing. If you want to be change the border color, I am use here orange color. Then copy back. If you don't want to be use this, then you just open it and just click OK. Now you can see here the content is there. If I change here selling price, then when I enter, then you can see the total profit is also according to that change. यूनिट सोल्ड आप किसी के अंदर भी किसी भी एक वेरिएबल में यहाँ पे जो चेंजेस करेंगे, देन अकॉर्डिंग इट्स इफेक्ट्स ऑन योर टोटल प्रॉफिट. So now I'm again selecting my table and going to tools option. Now creating another scenario, Tuesday sale, and border color I'm taking here red. You can choose any color. I'm clicking OK. Now I'm changing here again selling price, and then you can see there changes in total profit. Now I'm going to want my back previous scenario, that is in a Tuesday sale. You can see there again it is changed. So I hope you can understand what is the use of the scenario and how can we changes or do that. So next is goal seek. So first of all I'm copy this table. मैं कंटेंट को यहाँ से कॉपी कर लेती हूँ. Then we will do the formula is also containing here. I already said कि formula is must in goal seek and scenario. Goal seek means where you have assumed already your data, and according to that you change your variable is there, cell variable is there. So you can see here na, the formula is there, containing is na formula. Now I'm going to the goal seek tools option. In tools option you can be select your goal seek. If there is no formula, then it will be shows the error is there. Click on tools option. Now select your goal seek option. Now goal seek window will be appear. You can see here formula cell मैंने already select किया हुआ है. Now which one value you are assuming? I am writing here 2000. Now वेरिएबल सेल आपको किससे चेंज करनी है, किसके वैल्यू चेंज हो जानी चाहिए. आई एम चूजिंग हेयर सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके, नाउ व्हेन आई क्लिक okay, then it will be asked, do you want to be change your previous value or not? If I said yes, then it will shows the changes are both category. मेरा जो प्रॉफिट है वो 2000 दिखाई देगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंग मेरी सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होनी चाहिए, दैट विल बी शोन आर हियर. So just click on yes. Now you can see the changes are there both side. So I hope guys you can understand what is the use and how can we apply the goal seek and scenario in LibreOffice Calc. If you like my video and channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.